And if you're an OG, you know the rules. The unboxing knife gets to unbox things. Cables! Whatever that means. Now we're getting storage related stuff. Amazing, truly. Okay, this one's actually pretty heavy. Oh wow. This is the motherboard, yes. Very mothery. Oh wow, yep. This is where most of the weight is coming from. Get a load of this fella. Just gonna judge by the words here that this is the power supply. Oh, there's actually something else in here. I think this is my RAM. Not too techy, but I'm pretty sure 64 gigs of RAM is good. There's this monitor here, but I kind of just want to save it till I need it. Oh, this is very cool. I guess this is my liquid cooler with RGB. Case. I just picked whichever keyboard looked like had the most lights on it. And here's the graphics card. I feel like my best bet is to do it on the floor, cause I'm literally watching how to do this as we go. To expand in the future. Whew. Okay. Alright, so I guess jeez, man. I guess the first thing is the power supply. Here's that. Alright, looks like a briefcase. Whoa. Holy shit, look at that fan. Oh my gosh, look at all the ports. So I'll be worth it. Some cables. That looks important. Let's see, this looks important. Bruh, dude, look at all the, oh my gosh, there's so many fucking cables, bro. Bro. Oh my, dog, that's all cables. What? What is going on? If you look at it from here, you're kind of like, what am I looking at? But, however, if you look at it this way, you can't even see any cables and you could see what it could potentially look like. I'm assuming I need a flat on the back just to get the motherboard in. There she is, that's the motherboard. That's a piece of fucking styrofoam from the computer case. Oh Lord, there's more cables. Instructions I won't read. More instructions I won't read. Oh look, a disc! But this is the main star of the show. This is my motherboard. And away you go. Oh wow, that went in very smooth. Hello, it's me from the future coming in. So what you don't want to do is set up your fans so they're both sucking in air. I didn't know that in a push-pull system, these fans are supposed to be backwards so that way air shoots that way. Because right now, both these fans are sucking in air this way, and I'm assuming it's just all collecting in the radiator, so don't do that. Yes, that took very long. I'm gonna put this fucking thing over there and make it all office looking. Very happy indeed. You know, in reality, it was probably stupid of me to cut it that way anyway. Oh, that's better. And we're finally finished. But now my favorite part. Yes. Well worth the price of admission right there. Oh my lord. Yes. I have to go for a second. And I forget about you. Look at that right there. Ooh, my dad's gonna be pissed. Nice. One more. Ooh. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Right there. I like that sticker. I'll keep it.